Creative, I dare you to do it wrong. To do it knowing that you don't know how to do it. To do it without having it all planned out. To do it knowing that you're going to mess it up. Do it wrong. Do it wrong. Why am I telling you to do such a thing? 3 reasons. 1, choosing to do it wrong even though you don't know how to do it or what to do is moving. Most of creation really is inertia. If you want to form a daily habit, you have to get over the fear of doing it wrong because you're going to do it wrong and that's okay. Why? Because 2, if you do it wrong, you are starting to learn how to do it right. That technique didn't work. Okay, why didn't it work? Let's tilt it a little and try it differently. Why does that work? Well, because 3, the more you do it, the more familiar you become with how it works and what it is. It's a little bit like as you cook, you taste. You start to taste the thing, you go, that's not enough salt. And so you learn to add more salt. Or, that was too much salt. I'm going to add less salt next time. This needs some cumin. Oh, this needs some garlic. Oh boy, this would be great with some curry. How do you know those flavors work? Because you've cooked with them. Even when you screwed it up and the meal you made was really nasty, you learned. The only way you can learn which spices to cook with and how much is by cooking with them. And the same way when you create willing to do it wrong, you learn. Now, I don't mean just practicing it wrong over and over mindlessly. That's not what we're talking about. I mean doing it with engagement, doing it knowing that it's not going to come out right and that is okay. And then you can look at it and say, I think what I don't like about it is this color right here. So then next time you try it, you do a different color, or you try a different character's point of view, or you do a different scene. Being willing to do it wrong is crucial because it is part of getting past the fear of doing it wrong. That fear does you no favors. It just stops you from creating. But if you want to make stuff that you can refine into excellence, you've got to be willing to have a messy first draft. Now sit down with me and let's make something new.